다음은 상포 인터내셔널 마켓 대표이신 케이든 장님께서 상포의 월드 비전과 한국 시장 비즈니스에 대한 말씀이 있겠습니다. 박수로 모시겠습니다.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining our very first SANGFOR Solution Day in South Korea. And also, thanks to DigitalJoson for supporting SANGFOR business and planning such an amazing event. I'm Kaden Zhang, the president of SANGFOR International Market. It's a great pleasure to be here. Some of you may not know who SANGFOR is and what SANGFOR does. So I'd like to give you a brief introduction of SANGFOR technologies. SANGFOR was established in 2000 by 3 young men. We have grown to become a group of more than 3,500 staffs by year 2017, and we continue to grow. In the past 17 years, SANGFOR has achieved high growth rate. Our revenue in year 2004 was just $1.98 million. However, we successfully achieved $490 million revenue in year 2017. This is a very impressive result we had made in past year. You can see above that SANGFOR has a compound annual growth rate of over 50% since 2004. We believe that this could be continued in year 2018. SANGFOR Group has 2 business units focusing on both network security and cloud computing. We also have 3 sub-companies offering public cloud services, enterprise Wi-Fi solutions, and mobile office apps to our customers. Many of these services are not yet available to the international market, but will be in the near future. SANGFOR has more than 60 global branches. Most of these branches are in China and Southeast Asia. We also operate in several European countries, including Italy and the UK, and we are growing every day. We are excited to start our journey in South Korea, where we hope to develop and grow. Today, SANGFOR is already a listed company in China. Here, I'd like to show a few photos from the day SANGFOR was listed in Shenzhen, China Stock Exchange 1 month ago. Today, SANGFOR technology is worth $6 billion and is the largest network security company in China. So, why should customers and partners choose SANGFOR? SANGFOR has a very clear mission, vision, and objective. Simply put, SANGFOR strives to be a global leader in cloud infrastructure and security solutions. Our mission is to make IT simpler, more secure, and deliver more value to businesses. We want to work closely with our customers to accelerate digital transformation by building and securing IT environments. We want SANGFOR to be a top global brand by realizing our vision to fulfill the IT needs of all users, just as Microsoft meets the needs of every desktop. Our objective is to become the leading provider of network security and cloud computing in every region market we entered. and we are working towards to become one of the top brands on the most respected analyst reports. We have already achieved this goal in the Chinese market. For example, SANGFOR IAM, IPsec VPN, SSO VPN, and WOC products have been ranked first in the Chinese market for many years. And our NG firewall, which is currently ranked second in the enterprise firewall market. In the cloud computing market, SANGFOR's HCI market share was ranked in the top 3 after only 3 years. Finally, our VDI replaced more than 250,000 PC last year and is ranked number 2 in the Chinese market. With our mission in mind, we are excited to enter and play an important role in the booming South Korea market. Maybe you are wondering, how did SANGFOR do this? I think the most important investment we make is in our R&D. Every year, we spend more than 20% of our revenue on R&D to ensure continuous innovation. More than 40% of SANGFOR's total staff are employed by the R&D department. We hired the most talented R&D staff and are committed to continue long-term R&D investment. In total, SANGFOR has 4 R&D centers, with 3 based in China and 1 in Silicon Valley, California, USA. In order to provide the best products to our customers and partners, SANGFOR is proudly certified as CMMI Level 5, which is a software development certification process and the industry standard. Level 5 is the highest certification available through CMMI. Investment in R&D is very important, but SANGFOR also believes strongly in innovation. We all benefit from innovation, and as a leading technical company, we are proud of our many firsts. SANGFOR was the first to introduce the 3rd generation HCI, the first next-generation firewall with built-in WAF, and the first company to launch Internet Access Management in China. In the past year, we got 217 new patents, which is double the number we acquired in year 2016. Currently, our total number of patents is around 700, and all of them are technical patents, with 2 wins national awards in China. We are all familiar with the Gartner Magic Quadrant, the world's most reputable market research reporting. SANGFOR has a total of 6 products listed in Gartner Magic Quadrant for network security and cloud computing, the most of in any Chinese vendor. These products are our hyper-converged infrastructure, Internet Access Management, VPN, WAN optimization controller, application delivery controller, and next-generation firewall. SANGFOR also cooperates closely with major organizations in the IT industry, including ICSA Labs, CVE, and VirusTotal. SANGFOR focused on customer experience. SANGFOR has a very strong technical support team who provide 24/7 assistance to our customers and partners. In Malaysia and mainland China, we have more than 250 CTI seats and offer multi-group support. In our regions, we have local branches for better and faster services. Globally, SANGFOR and our partners have more than 6,500 certified engineers who can provide immediate hands-on support to our customers. In total, SANGFOR currently has more than 50,000 customers all around the world, including global Fortune 500 companies, government, and education sectors, just to name a few. As you can see, among our global Fortune 500 customers are many international household names that you might use or see every day. We do have the Korean customers from different industries in other countries, and as you can see here, Lotte Mart, CJ, Shinhan Bank, Samsung, LG, GS, and many more. Once again, it's a great pleasure for me to be here with you. I hope that through my presentation, you learn more about SANGFOR technology and our intention to grow the Korea market. I'm looking forward to working with you closely in the coming years. I'd like to welcome you to share any suggestions or ask any questions you might have. Thank you.